Here's a new 2024 Chrysler Pacifica. This Pacifica is more flexible than the overachiever at yoga class. Simplify your everyday with a vehicle equipped for your every need. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, self-sealing all-season front and rear tires, and V6 engine. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.